Hi, friends. Today we're here in beautiful New Hampshire, and I can't wait to show you a property that perfectly blends comfort, convenience, and a whole lot of charm. Welcome to 29 Woonsocket Avenue, a 4-bedroom, 1-bath home sitting on just over 2.5 acres of beautifully landscaped land. Right away, you'll notice the inviting covered porch, the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee or unwind at the end of the day. Step inside, and the home greets you with an open concept first floor that feels both cozy and spacious. The kitchen is tiled and features a gas range, perfect for those of you who love cooking. From there, warm wood floors flow through the living space, where a pellet stove adds that extra touch of warmth and comfort in the cooler months. One of the highlights of this layout is the large first floor bedroom. It's flexible, great for a primary suite, guest room, or even a home office. Upstairs, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, giving you plenty of room for family or guests. But the outdoor space is where this property truly shines. Imagine strolling through grounds filled with hundreds of plantings, more than 20 different tree and ornamental species, and multiple gazebos tucked into the landscape. It's like having your own private park right at home. The garage is another bonus, with epoxy flooring, space for 3 to 4 vehicles, and even a walk-up attic that's perfect for storage or future workshop. And while you'll feel tucked away in a quiet, peaceful neighborhood, you're only 5 minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment. You're right next door to the Lake Sunapee region, 30 minutes to Dartmouth Hitchcock, and just 25 minutes to the Upper Valley. So whether you're commuting, enjoying the outdoors, or simply craving a little peace and quiet, this location checks every box. Friends, if you're looking for a home that offers space, tranquility, and convenience all in one, 29 Woonsocket Avenue may just be the perfect fit. Let's go take a closer